Hi there, my name's David Scott. I'm General Manager here at Dumbarnie Links. This is March 2025. We made some super exciting changes to our 10th hole here. So we had some feedback from our guests. The 10th hole is stroke index 1. It's measuring about 470 yards. It plays typically downwind with a westerly, which is coming this direction today. This is our prevailing wind. And we did have a burn that used to lead into the big pond that you see down there. It was a kind of a waste area. And playing downwind, if you were to fly a ball kind of 250, 260, which seems to be like ridiculously long, it's not when you've got a 30-mile-an-hour wind behind you. If you land at about the 250 mark or so and you hit the downslope, you could run into that burn. So it was a bit unfair because you couldn't see the burn from the tee. So we had a bit of feedback there. We also had feedback from the person that couldn't hit it quite as far as that, maybe the 200, 210. And if the wind was the other way, then you would get it to a point that you could maybe hit it 100, 180, 200. You couldn't actually see the burn again because there was a slight hill in the way. So they would have a job carrying the burn with their second shot. So they were challenged by two lots of golfers. The very good player playing downwind, the not so strong player playing into the wind. So we've now got a pipe running right underneath here. So we're thrilled with the work. Our course manager, Graham Taylor, and his team did a super job. We've re-turfed it. It's all looking beautiful. And I think, you know, by middle of summer, it should be bled in perfectly with the rest of the fairway. And so you wouldn't notice it had been done at all. So that's going to be a really strong and positive change to our 10th. So hopefully you can come along and see for yourself what we've done here.